Alien Vlog Day 3. Today, I'm going cave diving for science.
I think I'm stuck. Oh, yeah. I'm definitely stuck.
Okay, this is officially the deepest I've ever been inside anything. Well, here's the end of Cosmo Vlogs. Never going in one of those again. That was horrible. I think I accidentally showed that guy the way out. Hey! Get off my ship! You know, I haven't seen Bigfoot in a while, which is honestly kind of concerning. All right, that's it for Alien Vlog Day 3. If you're still watching, like and follow. My commander checks engagement. Cosmo out.